So I know there are tons of bath enthusiasts out there. Personally, I maybe take 3 or 4 a year. Just not a huge fan. Haven't really gotten into the whole bath time ritual. So for me, I tend to take showers, and because I'm not a huge fan of baths, I don't need bath bombs. But I found out recently how to make shower melts. And pretty much it's aromatherapy in your shower, and it's amazing. I'm hooked. So today I'm going to show you how to make them, and it's really simple. So what you're going to need is a half cup of cornstarch, a half cup of baking soda, then about 6 to 7 tablespoons of witch hazel. So I have this in my house because I use it for a homemade facial toner that I make, which I will show you guys at some point down the road when I need to make more. This one's medicated, so it also has like a hint of peppermint in it, but they also make rosewater ones, unscented, from this brand. There's also several other witch hazels out there that you can use as well. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and put that in a bowl and start to mix that up. And for me today, I'm making a focus and energy blend. Earlier in the week, I made a calming one, so I will tell you what you will need for that. But in this, you're gonna need about 40 drops of essential oil. So for the focus and energy, I have sandalwood, lime, peppermint, and rosemary. So I have those in here, 40 drops total, so about 10 each, give or take. I added a little bit more sandalwood into mine just to kind of calm some of the lime. And then you're gonna mix it all up. And what you can see here is it ends up becoming like a thick, almost like dough or putty. And once you've mixed it all up and you've got rid of all of your chunks, you're just gonna add them into a silicone mold. So I've tried in the past to do ice cube trays and things like that, and it just hasn't really worked out when I go to dump them. So I'm gonna try out cupcake molds and see how that goes. But once you've put all of that in your molds, you're gonna put them in the freezer and let them freeze overnight. And when you're done, you have your shower melts. So when you have your shower melts all made up, just put them in the shower with you. So you can put them on a ledge where you might get some sprinkles of water, or directly underneath you while you shower. And as the water hits it, it will release the essential oils and the steam, and you'll get aromatherapy. So this is focus and energy, so I'll probably use this in the morning when I'm getting ready for work and things like that. Or you can do lavender and eucalyptus, and you can do that for when you want to sleep at night and calm down and relax. And there's several other different things you can do if you've got congestion or you're not feeling the best. You can add in peppermint, eucalyptus. You can also add in some RC from Thieves. So there's tons of different ways you can add essential oils in to get a different type of aromatherapy boost. So if you have any comments or questions, or you have a different way that you do shower melts, let me know in the comments.